Hi guys, TonieSha here. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to make a typewriter text. So we're gonna be using iMovie and Phonto. So let's pull up first Phonto. I'm gonna be using a plain color background here, but if you prefer using your own image, that's totally fine. I'm gonna pick the pink color here. Let's tap use and save. Then I'm gonna type Happy Monday. So I'm gonna arrange it how I want it. I'm gonna move it in the center and I'm gonna put shadow and stuff. So once you're done, you're gonna delete all the letters except with the first one. Then hit save. You're gonna be repeating this for each letter that you have. Then once you're done, let's go to iMovie and create a movie and collect all the images. Then tap create movie at the bottom. As you see, each images are in zoom in. You're going to be resizing it and disable each images and make sure each transition should be none. Make sure all of the images are adjusted to 0.3 seconds. Save it to camera roll. I'm gonna pick HD, then create another project and click the clip. Then if you want to add a typewriter sound effect, you can screen record it in YouTube. If you're not yet familiar on how to add a background music, I have a separate video. I'm gonna put the link on the description box. So this is gonna be the finished project. So there you have it. Hope this video helps you a lot. That's all for today. Bye!